Today, we're going to discuss about the topic called cross-selling. What is this cross-selling? Okay, it's very simple. I'll just give one daily social example for this. For example, you're going to buy iPhone today. Okay, in that iPhone 13 is there, iPhone 13 mini is there, iPhone 13 Pro is there. Okay, mini, 13 and Pro. Assume that you have a 3 models. So finally you have decided that you have a budget, you would like to buy this phone actually. So before iPhone 11 and the previous versions, so like till XR 8, all those versions will be there, right? 7, 6, 6A. So for those versions, iPhone company used to give charger, sometimes earphones also. Okay. Now company stopped giving this charger and earphones. So now we are in the generation of 13. Okay, 12 and 13. Suppose if you are buying any one of the variant, depends on the price and features. So what it says, once you went either Amazon, Purvanka, or else Flipkart or Reliance Digital, or else Chroma, if you go any retail outlet, either direct buy or else you are going to add to your cart, Amazon or Flipkart. Suppose if you added one piece of iPhone 13 Pro. If you added that, immediately below some other products also coming. Okay, with this plus, it is showing like plus. If you want, you can buy charger plus earphones. It is showing the price of total. Okay, for example, 13 Pro is like somewhere around 1,20,000 the price, plus the charger is somewhere around 1950 or 2000 rupees, and your earphones again it's like a blast price only, like somewhere around some 18,000 or something like that. All put together, this is the total price it is showing. Suppose here some tick marks also it is showing, like if you don't want to buy it, you will go ahead with only iPhone 13. You don't buy charger and all these things. With the box you are getting like one data cable and phone only you are getting. So this is one example. So when you are buying this one, it is showing two more products. Okay, this selling is called cross selling. With main product, the dependent product or also something which near related products they are selling. Okay, in the similar way, suppose if you are buying bread brown, okay, so in some vegetable cart with bread, immediately it is showing like Kisan sauce, okay, jam also, or else both you would like to buy, or else sometimes it is going to give some kind of bread cream. Okay, bread cream or else peanut butter, some kind of things it is showing. So either you would like to buy either one of this, or else all together with your bread you are going to buy. So this selling is called cross selling. So immediately identifies, suppose if you buy a laptop, another example. Okay, laptop asus you are buying. Okay, with that it is telling like you can buy additional screen guard. Okay, external, what you call, webcam. Okay, external keyboard. Okay, sometimes it can show, right, board and mouse. So like that, if I buy laptop, if it is showing additional products, so additionally it is showing. So it is not for free. Buy is for if you buy 40,000, and with the, if you are going to add all these products also, you are having separate billing. Okay, separate billing will be there. So like, additionally system is proposing you have to buy these products. This kind of selling is called cross selling. So for cross selling, whatever the products need to be proposed, that should be automatically by system. That will be handled by cross selling profile. This is how it will be handled on SAP system that we are going to see now. Okay, let's go back to the SAP system. So let me go to SPRO. Again, we will use for cross selling also condition technique, how you have used previously for your pricing and material determination and material listing and exclusion. So like, it will also follows the condition technique. Go to the sales and distribution, go to the basic functions. So if you see basic functions, we have finished pricing and free goods with condition technique, and we have finished this material determination and listing and exclusion. Four topics has a dependency on condition technique. Most of the logical topics have a dependency on condition technique only. Let's try to understand cross selling. Okay, so you have different steps. Define determination procedure for cross selling. Okay, so let's click this. For defining that, again you will have the same story, like the condition creation of the condition tables and all those things. So now let's try to check what are all the existing tables you have. Either you can able to use new table, depends on customer requirement, or else you can able to utilize the existing. Okay, let's try to create it our own table, like maybe 501. I am giving a table, it's already exists, it is saying like 901. Let's try to keep this one. Okay, this table. So let me take customer and material. Based on customer material also I can able to do this, or else I can take sales org material, it depends. Okay, so let me put it cross selling sample. Okay, I'm just keeping this table. I'm generating now 901. So let's save this one in local object. Once you have done the condition table, let's try to place this one in access sequence. Okay, so let me choose G001 access seek for cross selling. I'm just giving the description like this. Let's select this, click on accesses. So let's take 10. What is your table? 901. Let's press enter. Okay, let's select this. Try to do the field determination for this. Okay, so your customer material, I have taken the key combination. So if you see C0001A, if you want, you can utilize the standard one also. There is no issues. Every time you need not use it, but for practice you have to do it. That is good for you. So then define condition types. In the similar way, how we have metal listing and exclusion, you don't have any definition like how we have pricing condition type. Let's go for this. So our cross selling condition type is G002. So let's try to choose our access sequence. Okay, this is what we have defined. So now if you see valid from and valid to, you can able to take it. Maybe I'm just taking today's date, and let's try to put it till end of the current month. Okay, I'm saving this. You can choose according to your client requirement. This will by default, it will choose it manually. If you'd like to change it, you can change at the time of condition record maintenance. Okay, now go to maintain procedure. Let's come here. Someone has defined C, e-commerce ERP, someone has defined. If you see, someone kept like this, same standard. Okay, so generally, if you have a number of doing online sales for your Amazon and Flipkart, it is very easy to understand this case. Okay, cross selling proposal. Let's put it this one procedure. Let's go to the control and go over here. Let's go to the step. So step is this one. Choose D002 or condition type cross selling. Okay, I'm saving this one. Okay, we have done all the required steps as I point as I supposed to tell. I already explained you, like, your field catalog, like, if any new field requirement is there, that you can able to add it, or else you can take the help of the developer. If new field, if it is any some field which already not exists, or some customer specific field is there that need to be enhanced, and that field need to be activated. Once they activated, you can able to add in your field catalog. So then this field will be like at sales order level or delivery level or billing level, that again you have a separate case to understand. Okay, so maintain customer document procedure for cross selling. Okay, see, right, for which customer pricing procedure, like a is for A is product proposal, B is for cross selling. If you'd like to define, you can able to define G, you can do it cross selling. Okay, let me save this. So we have two kind of things. Product proposal means like it is giving list of the products every time the same product. If the customer is ordering, instead of entering in the sales order, in order to save the time, we have to do it. So let's try to understand the cross selling. I'm taking this one, Z. So document pricing procedure for cross selling. So for document pricing procedure also, I'm just taking this one. Okay, let's save this. We can take anything, any single digit letter, you can take it, because whatever the procedure we defined, we'll assign to, it should work for that particular document. So it should be accessible for that particular customer while determining the price actually, and your cross selling definition. So now let's go here. Same story, like, how you are doing for your material determination, in similar way you can able to do it. See, PP means product, see this pricing procedure at a document level. What we have defined, this is G we have defined, so that G, it is going to link with your particular document. On the document type, I would like to determine it. So now define and assign cross selling profile. Okay, so if you come here, define cross selling profile. If you see this, someone has defined this one, and cross selling pricing procedure, you're going to assign it. Okay, let me show you. Go to new entries. So ours is 202 cross selling proposal. Okay, so here, this is not product proposal, this is for cross selling. If you're buying certain product, it is asking, like, this product proposal means every time the same customer, if it is ordering 10 kind of products with different quantities, then that is different. This is with just proposing, it is not mandatory to buy those products. Okay, what is our cross selling pricing procedure? We have defined this one. Okay, G0002. So what is your pricing procedure actually? Okay, so for this, what is your pricing procedure? So for this, how you are going to determine? So our pricing procedure is this one. Okay, so you can see this. You can determine the dialog box appears on request. Okay, if A means it appears on request, dialog box appears on request after the data is released. We are going to see this one. I'll tell you this one. We keep it like this as of now. Okay, so on request only dialog box appears after the data is released. I will show you this one. Like, so cross selling ATP indicator, like, if I don't take this one, it is not going to check the inventory. whether the product is available or not, but proposal it will show for A, B, C, D, E. You can sell B, C, D, E, stock is available or not. If you'd like to check it, then you have to take this one. This is the only difference. Let's see what is the SAP definition for this. Same thing will be there, like controls whether system runs availability check. Availability check means like whether your stock is available or not, that you are giving that functionality. So cross selling materials during the sales document entry. Let's try to check this one also. Controls whether system defines cross selling materials for a person who enters in the sales document. Okay, so let's save this. So you have done what you call cross-selling profile you have defined. Now assign cross-selling profile. You can see this. So we are going to assign our cross-selling profile for our sales area. So let's take an example. So 2727 is our sales area. For this 27, our distributor division is what? 27. And what is the cross-selling pricing procedure? If you click that, we have defined for customer it is Z, and so whoever the customer master data is holding this one, that will work for him. So what is my document level? Cross-selling document level. So what is my cross-selling profile? Okay, I'm just going to assign this one. So with this, you have done condition technique and cross-selling profile definition. Within that profile, how we have to work, that we are going to see now. So now let's go to customer. As I said that you have a different method, right? Like for cross selling. So let me try to choose. Okay, maybe this guy. Or else 04. Yesterday's example will take brand Q distributor. So this guy is distributor, then 2727. Division is my 27. Okay, let's press enter. So if you come here, whenever we require, we'll come to our customer master data. This is what I told you. In this sales, you see pricing procedure for customer procedure. It is showing, right? Product proposal. Here only we have to choose this one is Z. If the product proposal is, you will say A. Let's choose this for cross selling. Okay, we have done so. So now how to maintain the condition record? For maintaining condition records, so it is like VB 41 for create, VB 42 for change, VB 43 for display, create, display and change. So yesterday we have taken certain products, with that only we will play with this. So we have these two. Okay, I'm just taking this one. So let me try to choose any other. I'll take this material also. Okay, so these three is sufficient. Let me try to check. Let me take these two products also. So assume that all these products are optional products. When customer buys, it should ask. When customer buys this product, it should ask in my proposal. Okay, this is our target. Let's try to check how the system behaves. So now let's come here. So before that, I would like to show you one thing. For every cross selling, let me try to go back to the Excel. So this is standard product, TAN. Okay, or else we'll go to our example. This is standard product. All these products are the standard products only. It's not like free goods. So this is also having price and this is also having price, and all these products are having price. Only thing is that we're just giving proposal to your customer. You would like to buy any one of it. Anyhow, you have already decided. That means you are trying to provoke the customer. Indirectly, you are doing the promotion. These are the products available with us. And sometimes your customer, based on his preferences, he might be forgotten. You are giving the reminder. You can able to take these products. Or else sometimes you are showing some offer. If you buy like like these combo, the price might be little varies. If you buy individually, the product price might bit high actually. Okay, like that, you are going to do the sales in the market. This is the this is nothing new. This is followed by marketers from centuries to till today. Okay, VB41. Before going to VB41, let me try to show you on another thing. Suppose this product is TAN. Okay, so this product TAN, if they buy, so along with that, this should be shown. For that, you require item category determination. What is our item category determination? ZOR1. Okay, so your item category group will be norm and usage. This is very important. If it is supposed to work for cross sell, CSEL. Suppose if it is work for free goods, it should be free in standard. In the similar way, if you go to material determination, yesterday we have seen usages like PSHP, and this is for product selection at header level and item level. These are the two. Okay, so in the similar way for cross selling, CSEL. Okay, and my high level item category, if I buy 10, this also will be 10 actually. Okay, so this item category determination should be required. Now let's go to the SAP. Now let's try to check Vivo V7. Sorry, 10 I need not explain, it's a standard product. Till now we have seen ZOR1. It might be there, might not be there. Yesterday we have removed all entries, right? ZOR1, we have only few entries. One is for material determination and another one is free goods and regular standard. If you go for OR, you can see norm CSCL. See for order, what is there? For order document, in the similar way we will maintain. Okay, so let's check how the system behaves. So ZOR1, come here, new entries. ZOR1, I want it norm. Okay, cross selling CSCL. If I buy norm, I need to propose it by, sorry, if I buy TAN, my standard product, it should be proposed by my standard product. Okay, let's save this. Now let's see the system, how the system behaves actually. So before that, we have to go back and try to maintain the condition records. Okay, so what is the transaction? As I said, that VB41. So create cross selling. See, even text shows this one also, it is for cross selling. So our cross selling is this one. So what is the product I am going to buy? Let's go back to our Excel. So let's choose this. Press enter. If I buy this, what I am going to choose? I am going to choose this one. Okay. Now you can see your unit of measurement. And here what is your cross-selling delivery control will be there. Okay. What is your cross-selling delivery control? So like, let me show you this one. At the time of delivery, if the main item is there, like, whatever the material you order, is not available also, you have to deliver. Outbound delivery only if the main item is already partial delivery. This is for, if it is partial delivery also, you can able to do this one. Okay. So at the time of delivery, we can see this, press enter. So let's give back. So now if you check this, here you can able to see this alternative materials. So now for, if I buy 91, it ends with 92, it is showing. If you click this one, so along with this, you can able to add all your products. Okay. So let's go. Let's go to the Excel. So 93, 41 and 42. Let me enter 42 also. Okay. So let's go back. Let's try to save this. Now we have created for this customer only, right? Let's take this customer, distributor, ZO R1 only we have defined. Let's press enter. So now we try to enter the main material. Let's see how the system behaves. See what it is asking. So this is product substitution is there now. Okay. Let's try to enter this, how the system behaves. So let me try to remove this yesterday's substitution because we have used the same material, right? VB, what do you call substitution? VB12. Let me delete this. This is a standard. Always, if you take the separate materials, it's always easy to work with this. See, now you see our cross-selling is working. What it is saying? So I'm going to buy 91. One pack I asked. So you'd like to buy this one or not? Okay. If you don't want to buy, you simply click the cancel. So that you know this product only you are buying. That means assume that this is iPhone 13. With that, you are not going to buy charger and headphones. Okay, this is your decision. Now let's try to enter one more time. Okay, so now I want one charger. I just want one pair of headphones. Let's assume because these are the biscuits. I'm just telling for you know your mind to map an example. Okay, this is 20. Okay, so let's copy this. If I copy this, if you go and see item overview, your materials will be copied. With your main material, your sub items also will be copied. This is the proposal. So now let's go and try to check the configuration. So on definition, you go back and cross-selling, this thing will be there, right? You just double click and try to choose cross-selling dialog box. Dialog box appears. See now box is coming, right? And request after the data is released. So now A means what it will do. It's only comes only on request. Let's save this. Now go back and try to create a sales order. Generally we will use blank only. Okay. So here some button will be there specifically. So on request only we can able to get it actually. Okay. So for cross selling, specific request will be there. Okay. Generally it will be blank, like no one is going to put like that, suppose if you put it cross selling on, this is for whether it is working or not, we can able to check it. Press enter. Okay, it is not coming directly, right? On request only it will come. Okay, so let's this is all about your cross selling. Let's go back and try to make it blank. No one is going to use that particular option. Okay, dialog appears only on request. So let me try to keep it blank, and let me show you the pricing also. I have forgotten to show you this one. So if I press enter, so your cross selling, if you see this, so this is the condition record. Okay, let me try to create a new sales order since we have made the chain setting. Like if I press enter, it is asking, see this cross selling delivery control. Here also you can able to say that either it need to be delivered partially, fully, or else the delivery control you can able to do it. Let's assume if I say this one only, I don't want the second product. Suppose 20 products it can able to show. I just copy this one only, then these two will be copied. Now if you see, both are having 10 item category. When it comes to conditions, this is the price it is coming. It has 200 for second product, that price it comes separately. All everything is same, only it will propose. Okay, this is all about your cross selling. So we're going to see another topic in another few minutes.